Hi there, I'm Gina. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. Today I am going to do a follow-up video to a recent post of what's in my bag or what fits into this Quince bucket bag. This is a little suede bag with really cute brass detail, suede on the front, smooth leather strap. Anyway, I have packed it to the brim. As you can see, it is bulging at the sides. And I'm going to show you everything that I've managed to fit into this bag. I'm going to preface this by saying that this is unfiltered. So this is actually the stuff that I carry every day, including one pouch. I have no idea what's in there. I carry it because I know occasionally I need to open it. So you're going to get to see that too. We'll see. And if there's anything too embarrassing in there, I'm just going to edit it out. So I think I'll start by just kind of emptying the bag, and then maybe I'll do like an overview so you can see me like put things back in the bag. I don't know, we'll try it and see if this works. So first it opens with the top zip just like that. It's very easy, very nice zipper. So it opens and closes. Now you can see exactly what's in here. It is super stuffed. And I'm a Virgo, I'm a pouch girly. I like to put everything in little pouches and then things are nested within things. My partner likes to say there's always like a bag within a bag within a bag within a bag. That's how it is. It's like nesting Russian dolls. So we're gonna start first with the easy one that I'm not gonna fully empty. This is my makeup pouch. It's a little Longchamp like cosmetic case. Has all of my like everyday essentials. I don't always carry this with me. If I've done my makeup in the morning, I usually just have like a lip product and then I'm out the door. Usually my bag wouldn't actually have this in here unless I absolutely need it. And so it would be more like this. That's actually the everyday essentials that I carry. So the first thing that's always in any bag is my phone. It needs to be able to fit even if I'm gonna have it in my pocket, have somewhere that it fits. My wallet. This is my larger wallet. I have a smaller like card holder wallet that I use for my smaller bags, but I've been using this a lot more lately, so I like my big bags or medium-sized bags to be able to fit it. And this is from Everlane. I've had this wallet I think since like 2013 or 14, something like that. I'm so glad I invested in a really high quality wallet. I think I got it for myself around Christmas time in 2014 or 15, something like that. But this is still doing amazing. It's almost 10 years old, if not 10 years old. So then the other thing, and my other pouch is my little Cezanne pouch that carries my keys. I love this, and now I love in this bag that I can just like clip them here. So it's like easy for me to just fish out from the bottom. So easy to grab my keys. And yeah, that's there. Inside the inner zipper pouch, I only have a pen. It's because it's a new bag. It doesn't have like cough drops and random things in there just yet. So I have a little pen in the zipper pouch. And then my very embarrassing addition, this is what I don't know what's in there exactly. This is just a little zipper pouch I have had for quite a while. I got it from the Strand back when I still lived in New York. And this is where I keep all of the random miscellaneous things I don't want in the bottom of my bag. So I'll start. Okay, I have some pills for upset stomach. I have some ointments. I have my little, this is actually really great to have on hand. This is the, oh, and it's very dirty. It's gotten pretty beat up, but I always have this with me. This is a matte sun stick to just, you can reapply your sunscreen over your makeup. Oh, this is the Balm.com Glossier little lip balm. Oh, multiple Tide pens. A compact kabuki brush. I've been looking for this. Now I know where it is. Love. So glad I found that. This is one of those little bag holder thingies. So like if you're at a restaurant and you don't want to put your bag on the floor, you can hang it from the table. I think I got this from Daiso. Here I have multiple hair ties, so won't go without that. And then I have a couple more pens in here. Okay, oh, I found another kabuki brush. This is why I couldn't find both of my kabuki brushes. They both made it in this pouch. Okay, I've been looking for my travel kabukis. here they are. Should have checked there. Then I have some hydrocortisone for bug bites and stuff like that. And then I have another lip balm. So it's primarily lip products in here, and Tide pens, regular pens, and hair ties, and kabukis. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna reload all of that, and that way my little pouch will be reassembled. And then I'll just switch over to like an overhead view so you can just see me reload everything. Oh, one thing that wasn't in there, and I'm seeing it, it was out the side. I usually have an extra sunscreen in there too. I love, again, this is the same brand Beauty of Joseon, Korean skincare brand, but super love it. It's the best sunscreen I've ever used. So yeah, it fits quite a bit of things. Other things that sometimes I'd like to be able to fit into my bags is like my planner. I have a like A4 size planner, and I think that's about it actually, just like a extra notebook or planner. So I'll show you if that can fit as well, and yeah, negotiate some of the spaces as we reload this little bucket bag. Okay, see you in a minute. I am back with the handbag, and now I will refill her just so you can see for good measure what she looks like empty. That is it. This is the little zipper pocket. This is the side slip pocket, and then the actual interior. All right, so I'll start with my phone. I switched over to recording on my phone, so I have my phone case here. And this usually will fit, yep, it does fit just perfectly into the side slip pocket. And I have an iPhone 14 Pro, not the max size. Okay. Then we have my big wallet. So that can fit in, actually fits lengthwise as well. I usually put it like this though, so that it's easy for me to grab and it doesn't just fall to the bottom, but I'll show you what it looks like that. Here's my little Saison pouch, and I'm going to just clip it on. Oh, sorry, little pouch. Clip it on here. That can drop in. Then my handy dandy everything pouch, which fits right in there. I'll stick this pen back in here. Much more can fit in there, but that's what I'll leave in there for now. And then I'll even stick in my little Longchamp cosmetics case. Let's take the keys out first. Maybe stick it right here. Let's Tetris it all together. Okay, and then let's see, make sure she still zips closed. Yep, pretty easily actually. So that's like super stuffed. I don't think I would actually carry my bag like this. I wouldn't carry it with the cosmetics pouch. I think I would just pop in the things that I actually need. So let's take that out. And I would much rather just have it more comfortable in my bag. I don't like to overstuff my bags. Otherwise, I would just carry a bigger bag. Stick my little pouch in here. And then, as you can see, that really closes up much more easily. And that feels much more natural, in my opinion, to carry it like that. I grabbed 2 notebooks. This is my daily planner, and this is like a little notebook that I keep for just random thoughts. And I'll show you how both look fitting in here with it empty. So plenty of space with this one. Could fit pretty easily, even laying flat on the bottom. Fits very nicely. And then with my full-size planner, it doesn't really fit. Well, actually it does. It technically does fit. Okay, it fits vertically. Yep, totally fits vertically, can zip up. And let's see, lengthwise, I don't think, it'll be a little stiff, but it also fits lengthwise. Okay, that's great to know. Yeah, it'll give a lot more structure here, but yeah, it still fits and there's space. Wonderful. And then I could actually fit my wallet too very nicely and have plenty of space. I could even nest this on top if I absolutely wanted to squeeze all of that in there, which is kind of shocking. Oh, my keys might not fit, but yeah, technically I can squeeze quite a bit in there. Wow, I'm actually surprised. This just looks a lot smaller than it is. I don't like to stuff my bag, so this actually feels more comfortable if I need to carry like a few notebooks. But this is wonderful. This is so great. And again, my phone case is in there, my wallet is in there, my keys are in there. Those are the essentials. And then if I need my planner or my notebook, I can fit those as well. This could probably even fit in this zipper pocket. Let me see. Does it? Oh, it's not depth-wise, it doesn't fit. No, not quite. I wonder if it fits here in this slip pocket. It does fit in the slip pocket. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, little notebook can fit there too if you don't want to put your phone in there. Very cool. Okay, I learned a lot by doing this exercise. I hope that this was useful for you too. And yeah, let me know if you want to see any more of these kinds of videos. I love doing this. This is actually really fun. A little bit of Tetris problem solving and experimenting with my bags. So I can do this with any of the bags in my collection.